Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so in today's episode we've got a laptop, Toshiba, and we're checking that TV behind me because it's supposed to have a fault, like no power suddenly, so we don't see that fault. What can I say? We need to wait, or it won't happen, but Toshiba satellite is with an unknown fault. Customer brought it in, said fix it. He don't know what's wrong, so I'll grab the charger, because probably when we will press the power nothing will happen. Okay, so before I'll grab the charger, we can check if we've got a short on the power section. So let's get this one to diode mode. Oop, my meter decided to have a weak spot again. That's what it is when you use for decades one device and you don't clean. Okay, so it's safe to connect. Oh, that's me. It's safe to connect to the power. And the last thing which we can check, actually, we can check if the battery is dead or not. And here, if I'm able to read it with my probes, of course. So that battery is 10.8 volts. So usually they are on the far end. Okay. This battery is dead, guys. Checking all other pins and nada. Yeah, 0 point something. Okay, in that case we know that the battery is dead. And do we have short on those pins here? Or we don't? No, it's okay. So okay, in that case let's get the charger and let's see what we can do with it. Okay, be right back. Okay, so we got it here. Now let's risk it for a biscuit, because this is supposed to not work. So ouch. Okay, so it does try to switch on. Look at the diodes. Okay. It does have a short which banned it from the start. So we need to open it and we need to check if the motherboard, when will be out, will behave the same way as it's behaving now, because it's looking like it's just the short. And I remember that a customer said something that it was working fine until he opened it, tried to clean it, put some thermal paste, yes. So now I recall it. So I'll unscrew all the screws to not spend any time with use, because you know it's unscrewing screws, so it's no biggie. So we got all across here, and I'll take this board out. If you want me to record how I unscrew, I can split it always into two parts, or I can record it, yes, put some music on it, or you know, or record in the parts and put timestamps or whatever, you know, I can do it, yes, but I do believe that there's no value for you to watch me unscrewing things. So please comment down below if you would rather see me unscrewing things. Okay, so I did remove the memories and hard drive, and still the same, so no other choice, yes. In that case, I will continue because I removed most of the screws. I think I've got 2 left, and then underneath this will be 1, so probably 3 screws in total, and then we can continue. Hello guys, yes, change of the scenery. So the problem we have is that I was doing different job this job actually. I'll have to tidy up and I have to pop in for boys to school, so if that will break, I will make it as a part 1, and part 2 I will make the same day release, okay? Because I don't know if, you know, anything can happen. I will be leaving the house for like half an hour. I'll just pause the recording, okay? And then I will unpause it and we can go back to the previous job I was doing. Customer just left, we were dealing with it. There will be video about this job as well, because I want to update the world, you know, about all the jobs if possible. So guys, be right back, yes? If no, see you in the part 2. Take care. Okay guys, so I made it. I unscrewed all the screws. I did try my best to not leave a single one. I will still have to go, and we don't know if we need to remove the keyboard first as well. Okay, so that's the question as well. And I need to remove keyboard first, exactly. So I start to open it, and look, it's only 4 screws. So let's do them quickly, and then we will see how many will be. If it will be up to 3, I can do it with you. If no, I will just pause it. 3, and the last one is 4. Okay, so let's put this here, and how many screws we have? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 screws, that's okay. That's okay. So it's 1, 2. Hopefully the minutes missing. 1, 2. Same size of the screws all the way long. That's nice. Apart from the keyboard had it shorter. Okay. So now what it is? It's a power button here. Okay, and we got speakers. Ooh, and I already know what's wrong. The customer didn't put properly connector to the display, or let's check. Okay, let's plug in the I need to find something heavy for it, solder or still the okay, let's get the solder that's heavier. Let me plug it in. I'll get the charger because I'm using different tip on the charger, so I'll get this tip change, and we can plug it in and see if that will make a change, or maybe something else still shorting as well. Okay, so we got it. Please observe here. You can see that this fan should spin. Okay, so let's press the button. Oh no, there's more fault to it. No, so that's not the only fault. Okay, so I'll continue. How many screws do we have? 1. Just one at the top. So what else we can disconnect? That's okay. Let's disconnect Wi-Fi. So that's 1 screw. Okay. Let's try now. No, so it's not a Wi-Fi. Okay, then that has to short something from below. Okay. Now let's get this board out. Okay. The fan has two screws. We need to get the fan out because we want to see the spin. Once we see the spin, I will be right that customer have shorted something. And that's why it's a problem with starting it up. Excuse-moi. Oh, this. Okay, but that's okay. That's good enough. We can see the fan, and we can. Well, we can create a short with to switch it on. Yes, short to switch it on. Tweezers, my tweezers. Oh, okay. So let's try. Nothing, completely nothing, guys. I'm shorting and it's two, nothing, and the outer one. Okay, it was, but it's not the. So there is a short on the board. Literally. So let's take it out. Here's the Wi-Fi. We don't care about the Wi-Fi. We do care about the port. Because we got no battery here. Can we get this port out? Okay, very good. So guys, we will be taking this board only. And let's put it aside. Let's plug in the power. You get this, we should see the spin of the fan. When we short this, I don't know why this doesn't want to short. I'll look for my second tweezers. Okay guys, so to save up on time, I remove the battery, I remove the CPU even, nothing, completely. Let's leave the fan, because I want to see the fan on and the LED. That's the only thing I want to see. So we get a light, yes, we get LED. And now we can short it and see if anything changed. Oh, nothing, guys. So I'm quite curious what could cause that, because switching on and automatically switch off. Okay, so in that case it's not a quick solution, it's not a it will require part 2 of this video. I got no idea what can cause that. I need to go and start measuring things. That's why I don't want to do this episode too long. Sorry that I couldn't fix it in one go. We remove everything from the main board, like even CPU, RAM, everything. Just literally everything. This should stay on properly, yes. But it's switching on and off. That means something is shorting. The question is what? So that's what hopefully will be second part for. If anybody have any ideas, that's okay. I will try to start measuring as well, and hopefully we will see each other with part 2 soon. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for those who subscribed. Thank you those who will likes to use as well. Please remember we're looking in partner shops for all sorts of repairs across the whole UK, and people who want to learn repairs. So contacts are down below the video. Thank you for watching. If possible, let's fix them all, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.